So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is if you're making a document, let's say for example a PDF document, you can go ahead and add in hyperlinks as well. So to do that, let me just go ahead and grab the text tool. So over here on the left hand side, I'm just going to go around and take the artistic text tool and then go ahead and click and drag out the text. So here, let me just go ahead and say Wikipedia as an example. So for this one, I want to go ahead and make a hyperlink. And for this one, let's just go ahead and say page 3 right here, just like this. And let's just go ahead and copy and paste this out right here and then change it to page 6. So let's say I want to go ahead and create out links for these particular text. So for that, you can go ahead and select out Wikipedia, let's say for example. Then what you can do is you can actually go to Window and then you can go around onto References and then go around onto Hyperlinks. Once you do that, around over here, you can select the text that you want to add the hyperlink to and then click on the plus button. So over here, you can see by default, it says page. You can link it to a file or a section, but let me just go ahead and link it out right here to a URL. So you can see the URL address right here. Let me just type in www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. So this is a hyperlink. Apart from that, I'm going to go around over here, click on the plus button, and then I'm going to select out page. So over here, you can see it says page 3. So let's just go around and link it to page 3. For this one, let me just go around over here and link this out to page 6 right here, just like this. So now you can go around over here and change the color as you want as well. So just like this. So now let's just go ahead and export this out as a PDF file. So to do that, you can go around over here onto File, then go to Export and export right here. And then you can go around over here onto PDF, and then you can go ahead and select out, let's say, this little small size. So let's just go ahead and do that. If I were to go around and click on Export, go around over here onto Desktop, and I'm going to say that's a sample document right here, and then click on Save right here. So once I go ahead and do that, the PDF will be exported as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and open it, and this is what you have. So you can see that Wikipedia page 3 and 6 are actually links. If you were to click on it, it goes to page 3 as you can see. Click on page 6 and it goes to page 6. Click on, let's say, Wikipedia, it actually opens up Wikipedia right here. So this is how you can go ahead and add in hyperlinks right here. So you can see that there are images right here. Even for the images, let's say for example, let me just go ahead and resize out this image right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and click and drag these out right here. Let's just go ahead and click and drag this out right here. Let's just press Ctrl Z right here on just like this and resize the image out. Let's just go ahead and make it small. So now what you can also actually do is you can go ahead and add in links to images as well. So now you can simply go ahead right here for that, click on the plus button, and you can see that this is the image. You can go ahead and link it to a particular page as you want as well, just like this. Press OK, and hyperlink will be added to the page as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in hyperlinks as needed. So that when you export it out as a PDF file, it'll actually work inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.